This episode is brought to you by GenoPure, suppliers of all natural supplements, vitamins, and pre-workouts. From body pain to sleep to diets, they have it all. Click the link in the description below to check out their website, GenoPure.com. Optimizing health and vitality one gene at a time.
...2006 BMW M3 has a Megan system on it, exhaust system with aero resonators. We added 2 more resonators on it because it was a little bit too loud because it's a convertible, and it's got a Megan exhaust system, dual system. There's a tag. I don't know if you guys can see it. So he came back and we added these 2 resonators to quiet it down some more when the top is down. Still got the stock outlet converters and everything. Came out really nice, really beautiful. Hope you guys like the sound. There's the tips on it. Again. Much better. It's a lot deeper now. You like it? That's awesome, man.
Yeah, bro.
Absolutely.
You guys do a great job around here.
Anytime, man. You'll see it hopefully today or tomorrow on the channel. Sure. Again, 2006 M3. Give it gas. Again. Oh, it's better. Oh yeah, that's perfect.
You guys got it.
Oh man, that sounds so good. Hope you guys like it.